Chlorella and spirulina may look like pond scum to the untrained eye, but don't be fooled. These microalgae are microscopic overachievers. Inside their humble green and blue-green forms lies a molecular toolkit designed to detoxify, defend, and quite possibly give your DNA a standing ovation. If your cells are the stressed-out office workers of the body, these algae are the wellness consultants showing up with smoothies, air purifiers, and a plan for cleaning up heavy metal toxicity before it triggers a genomic meltdown. Let's start with the detox powers that have made chlorella a bit of a celebrity in the green supplement world. Chlorella's tough outer cell wall contains unique polysaccharides and peptidoglycan structures that act like molecular flypaper for heavy metals: lead, cadmium, mercury, and even uranium, if you're into post-apocalyptic foraging. Once bound, these metals are prevented from being absorbed into the bloodstream and instead get ushered out through the digestive tract like unwanted guests. This isn't just a neat trick for colon cleansing. It's a legitimate line of defense against genotoxic agents that can wedge themselves into your DNA, cause strand breaks, or trigger mutations that accumulate with age. Spirulina, on the other hand, takes a slightly different route. With its rich phycocyanin content, a deep blue pigment with antioxidant properties, spirulina works upstream, quenching free radicals before they get the chance to ransack your genome. It's like having a bouncer at the door of every cell, intercepting oxidative troublemakers like hydroxyl radicals and peroxynitrite before they can turn your DNA into a high-stakes repair job. While it doesn't trap metals as efficiently as chlorella, spirulina brings serious firepower in the antioxidant department, especially when it comes to boosting two of the most important guardians of DNA integrity: glutathione and superoxide dismutase, SOD. Glutathione is often called the master antioxidant, and microalgae don't just passively support it, they actually ramp up your body's ability to make and recycle it. Both chlorella and spirulina contain precursors like cysteine and glycine, which help fuel glutathione synthesis. This matters because glutathione isn't just a free radical scavenger. It's also critical in detox pathways in the liver and acts directly to neutralize lipid peroxidation products that can damage DNA. In aging cells, where glutathione levels tend to decline and oxidative stress climbs steadily upward, algae come in like a team of chlorophyll-rich superheroes to restore balance. Superoxide dismutase, SOD, another antioxidant enzyme supported by microalgae, converts superoxide radicals, the kind produced during normal mitochondrial activity, into less harmful hydrogen peroxide, which your body then cleans up with catalase or glutathione peroxidase. Spirulina is particularly rich in copper, manganese, and zinc, all of which are needed as cofactors for different SOD isoforms. This makes it a kind of molecular support staff, ensuring that your endogenous enzymes are properly equipped to do their job and keep reactive oxygen species from chipping away at your chromosomal ends like tiny demolition crews. But perhaps the coolest feature of these microalgae isn't just their chemistry, it's their evolutionary street cred. These organisms evolved in high-stress environments where sunlight, oxidation, and metal exposure were daily challenges. They developed robust defense systems not just to survive, but to thrive, and when we consume them, we get to piggyback on those adaptations. It's ancient biological wisdom, repurposed for our modern toxic mess. And if all this isn't enough, both spirulina and chlorella are also rich in chlorophyll, which might sound like smoothie marketing fluff, but actually helps bind toxins like aflatoxins and dioxins in the liver and gut. They also support phase 2 detoxification enzymes that enhance your body's ability to safely transform and excrete environmental carcinogens. In short, less molecular garbage floating around means fewer opportunities for DNA damage to sneak in and cause long-term problems. So while they may not have the glamour of blueberries or the mystique of resveratrol, these green and blue-green powerhouses are no less heroic. Chlorella vacuums up the toxins, spirulina arms your antioxidant forces, and together they form a kind of detox defense alliance for your genome. You don't need to drink a swamp to get the benefits, but a daily scoop or a few capsules might just be the micro-scale strategy your cells didn't know they needed. In the end, what looks like pond muck might actually be nature's oldest detox plan, quietly safeguarding your DNA while giving your mitochondria a break from firefighting duty. That's not bad for a bunch of algae.